In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make location bid adjustments in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to increase or decrease your bids for specific locations so your budget goes further where it matters most. First, open your Google Ads account in your browser and make sure you're in the right account and campaign you want to work on. Start by going to the Campaigns section so you're looking at the campaigns you manage. From there, navigate to Audiences and then click Locations. This brings up the table of places you're targeting or observing, along with performance data. The key area to focus on is the bid column. This column controls how much more or less you're willing to bid for clicks coming from each location. If you have a bunch of locations listed, don't worry, this process is the same for each one. Find the location you want to modify, then click the pencil icon in the bid column for that specific location. This opens an edit field where you can increase or decrease your bid as a percentage. A positive percentage, like 20%, means you're telling Google Ads to bid 20% higher for traffic from that location. A negative percentage, like -15%, will lower your bids for that area by 15%. Enter the percentage that fits your strategy and click Save. After you save, you'll immediately see the updated percentage next to that location in the list. Repeat this for any other locations you want to adjust. When you're done, you'll have a clean view of all your locations and the exact bid adjustments applied to each one, which makes it easy to review and fine-tune later. A few quick tips to guide your choices. Use your performance data to decide where to go up or down. For example, if a city consistently brings in conversions at a lower cost, consider a positive bid adjustment to capture more of that value. If a region has high spend but weak results, a negative adjustment can protect your budget. Start with modest changes, often 10 to 25%, so you can measure impact without overcorrecting. Give your adjustments time to gather data before making another round of edits, and review the results regularly to keep your bids aligned with performance. That's it. You've learned how to find your locations, edit the bid adjustment using the pencil icon, save the change, and confirm the updated list of locations and their bid adjustments.